Main sanitary sewer line replacement video. So this is what we have. We have a clay main sanitary sewer line that services this beautiful home. The transition from house cast iron to underyard clay is around this area. The clay continues past that flag and then continues kind of at a 30-degree angle towards the retention wall, where it makes a 90-degree drop and then goes to the bottom of the retention wall, makes another 90 and heads out up to the property line, which is right by the water meter. All of that clay has roots in almost every single joint. It is a 6-inch diameter as well. So with that being said, we're going to make this a combination project of excavation and lining. We're going to need 2 excavations, 3 liners. With that being said, excavation 1 will be right at this flag, 6 feet deep. We expose the clay and then we install a 2-way clean out. Backfill tamp grade, and then the clean out will be installed inside a grade level cast iron protective cover. By the end of the day, this will be nice and flat with a circular metal cap right here. Clean out number 2 will be right by the retention wall at this flag. 7 feet deep just to find the pipe, plus the additional depth past the 90 till we hit the bottom of that 90. This clean out could be, this excavation could be potentially 13, not more than 14 feet deep, just to get to the pipe that's damaged. Why? Because the bottom 90 as it heads out, right at the 90 itself, there's a monstrous root intrusion that's very difficult to service and remove. So with that being said, we're just going to install a clean out. We cut the top of the 290s and remove it. Sorry for all the noise. And then we install a new top 90, down, bottom 90, and a clean out coming up to the surface, which is right by the flag. Once that is all done and inspected, backfill tamp grade, and this clean out will be either put in a lamp hole cover or a cast iron cover if the county requires it, or we leave it slightly exposed 3 inches above grade. Once that all is done, we move on to the liners. Liner 1 is going to be from new clean out 1, 6 feet upstream up to the transition of cast iron to clay. Liner 2 will be from clean out 1 all the way down to clean out 2. Liner 3 will be from clean out 2, start at the bottom and then continue up to the property line, approximately 10 feet, all 6-inch diameter. Once all that is done, that will conclude the entire rehabilitation of this bad sewer line, the installation of proper service access points, and if the rest of the main sanitary sewer line should go bad, WSSC would have an easy and accessible access to get into the line. It's an all-around winner. That's what we got.